As prepared as you try to be, it's hard to plan for the unexpected. Here are some hacks that'll turn day-ruining hassles into minor bumps in the road. If this is your first time with Crafty Hackers, welcome! And please subscribe by clicking that button in the upper right corner so you'll never miss one of our DIYs, pranks, hacks, or recipes. Now let's get to saving your day. Here we go! Prevent color fading. At some point, you've got to wash your brightly colored clothes. But washing it normally makes the colors fade. You see how much blue dye left the shirt and colored the water? Let's try that again. But first, add some salt to your wash. A couple big spoonfuls will do the trick. Now, not only have you prevented the color from fading, but the salt even brightens the colors. Quick drying. Some days you need a clean shirt and there just isn't enough time to wait for a full wash and dry cycle. Try this hack for drying your clothes super fast. Start by washing your shirt by hand. Next, wring it out and grab a bath towel. First, lay the towel out flat. Lay your clothes in one layer on top of the towel. Next, tightly roll up the towel and give it some firm squeezes. The more you massage it, the more moisture you can transfer to the towel. If you're really looking to dry your clothes fast, grab a second dry towel and repeat the process. Finish it all off with a hot iron. Your t-shirt will be bone dry. Remove makeup stains. If you wear makeup, you know this problem all too well. Here are some ways to keep those stains from ruining your clothes. If you have foundation on your shirt, use shaving cream to help loosen the stain. Do your best to scrub it out. Then throw it in the wash like you normally would. If you have a lipstick stain, try hairspray. Spray the spot where you have your stain and use a paper towel or your hands to rub the stain out. Next, throw it right in the washer and run a cycle like normal. Once your wash is complete, your clothes will be stain-free just like new. Remove gum from your clothes. Talk about getting yourself into a sticky situation. Sometimes gum just finds its way onto your clothes and latches on. Here's our trick for getting it out fast. Use vinegar, an old toothbrush, and a metal bowl. First, you're going to heat up the vinegar until it's boiling hot. Next, use your toothbrush to transfer the vinegar onto the gum. Use the bristles to lift the gum off your clothes. Keep scrubbing until it's all gone. Crisis averted. Blow dryer. Love your socks but hate when they're too wet to wear? Here comes your blow dryer to the rescue. Put the ankle of the sock over the front of your dryer and turn it on high. The hot air will dry your sock, leaving it warm, fluffy, and ready to wear. Bonus hack, try putting it on your foot while it's still toasty. Skirt from a scarf. Have you ever spilled on your pants in a totally embarrassing way? Use your scarf to cover it up by turning it into a super stylish skirt. Start by folding your scarf in half along the long edge. Next, tuck one end behind your hip. Cross the other half in front of you and give it 2 twists. Tuck the remaining fabric behind you. This skirt looks so great, you might even want to try it when you don't have a stain. Big jeans fix. Loving the legroom of your baggy jeans but want to cinch that waist? Grab some small zip ties and link them together into a line. Snip off the ends. Next, feed the ties through the belt loops on the sides of your jeans and connect the 2 ends of the zip ties. Do the same for the other side. The zip ties help to make this a super secure solution. There's no way your pants are falling down today. Prevent clothes from shrinking. Fitted clothes look stunning, but shrunken clothes can take it too far. Prevent your clothes from shrinking by mixing in hair conditioner when you wash your clothes. This will keep the fibers nice and loose instead of turning your sweater into felt. Lay your sweater onto a dry towel, nice and flat, and sandwich it between another towel to help it keep its shape. Hey, maybe you could even try drying it faster with our quick drying hack from before. Leave a comment below telling us how one of our hacks could have saved your day. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe by clicking the button in the left corner. Thanks for watching!